Hi, my name is Christina, and we're a family-owned business from the sunny state of Florida. I'm going to demonstrate our younger posture corrector. First, these two pads will go under the arms, and we're going to put it on just like a backpack. First, we'll slide one arm on, reach for the other one, slide it up, adjust it to where it's comfortable. Grab the pads for under the arms. Use your thumb. Pull on the straps like this. And then this is what it should look like in the back. To remove it, you need to lift up on the clips, slide it up. You can either slide it off your back or you can stick your arm one at a time off, just like a backpack. And if you use this every day, it should improve your posture. Thank you.